And welcome back. So, Daredevil Born Again Season 2 kicks off with a premiere episode packed with references, callbacks, and subtle nods to both the MCU and the original Netflix era. As the story reintroduces the conflict between Matt Murdock and Mayor Wilson Fisk, the episode wastes no time layering in details that longtime fans will appreciate. One of the first standout elements is Fisk's campaign slogan, New York Born Again, seen plastered across posters in the city. It not only reflect his vision of rebuilding New York under his control, but also cleverly ties into the show's title and the iconic comic storyline that inspired it. A major milestone for fan comes with Daredevil's updated suit. For first time in live action, Matt Murdock's costume features the classic double D logo on the chest, a detail pulled straight from the comics. Combined with the darker black painted suit, it signals a new phase for the character in MCU. The episode also hints at the return of familiar allies. During a conversation about a suspicious weapons shipment, Matt suggests Karen give her a call, strongly implying Jessica Jones. Given her background as private investigator, her involvement seems both logical and exciting for what lies ahead. Another subtle callback appears when Karen mentions calling in a favor at Metro General. This is a clear nod to Claire Temple, also known as Night Nurse, who played a crucial role in supporting vigilantes during the Netflix Marvel era. While she doesn't appear yet, the references opens the door for a potential return. The wider MCU connection expands with the introduction of CIA-linked character backed by Valentina. Her involvement hints at a deeper, possibly covert government operation tied to the mysterious weapon shipment, reinforcing how interconnected the MCU has become. Smaller details also carry significance. Matt's codename Red Kitchen, used in his messages, cleverly references both his Red Daredevil identity and his roots in Hell's Kitchen. It's a subtle but meaningful nod to his origins. Meanwhile, Fisk Anti-Vigilante Task Force receives a chilling update with new uniforms featuring the Punisher logo. This suggests that members of the force idealize Frank Castle, though they clearly misinterpret his method, adding another layer of moral complexity to the story. The episode also revisits past tragedies. Baby Uric's storyline directly ties back to the death of her uncle Ben in the original Daredevil series. This connection not only grounds the story in his history but also raises the emotional stake as she seeks justice against Fisk. Matt's further past is further acknowledged through a reference to his mentor Stick, described humorously as a borderline psychotic sensei. Stick's influence is still evident in its math skill and discipline, reminding viewers of the character's intense training and origins. Finally, the episode closes with a dramatic and unexpected twist. During an attack by Fisk Task Force, Daredevil is saved at the last moment by a series of impossibly precise kills. The reveals come in the form of a knife marked with a familiar symbol, bullseye. His return, complete with a cryptic "You are welcome," suggests he now has his own agenda, setting up an intriguing dynamic for the rest of the season. Overall, the premiere episode of Daredevil Born Again Season 2 is dense with detail, rewarding attentive viewers with connections that span years of Marvel storytelling while laying the groundwork for what promises to be a complex and action-filled season. That's it. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.